ES keeps we keep having this bullish imbalances. We had one target at 51.49 from the other day. From this day right here, we had a P-shaped profile, so that was my target, 51.49. On Friday we almost got there, but we also had another P profile, and to balance that profile specifically, I have my target at 51.64. So we have all these bullish imbalances. We are holding above the 21 EMA. We have the 50 moving average right there. We have this single prints that are almost done cleaning up. So I mean, holding above the spike too was very bullish. So I mean, and look at the overnight profile. It's also like, it's missing the upside. So I'm thinking we're moving up here, at least retesting this 20 moving average, and then going into this zone to test the 50. So 51.64 is my target, my initial target. And then we have this huge area of highly positive delta and a low volume node above. So I'm expecting this to take a little bit of time to resolve. If we can now get past this, then we're likely gonna move back into this 5104 area, or at least retest the low value area from Friday, right? Like we have this low volume node, and this could hold, and we can hang around here in this area for a little bit until this resolves. But if not, if 51.24 doesn't hold, I'm looking for a move to 51.04 and then back to 51.80. But if we're able to get through this, get above 51.72, then I'm looking for a rally into the 5200s, 5204. We have an inside week, right? So the previous week's high is right here. It's at 51.4650. That's the RTH high for that week. And then the low is all the way right here, which is very close to the previous week's low, right? So we have two lows very close to each other. So it wouldn't surprise me if we attempt to rally and then come back and then make new lows. So keep an eye on this high. Above it, go with the break, and below it, just be careful because we could retrace this whole move. That's what I'm thinking. We have inventories 100% long for today, so I'm expecting. Well, that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting an early attempt to rally and then a move back, then seeing. I'm actually expecting this rally to fail. That's what I'm expecting. This is just a guess. We don't know what's gonna happen with the order flow. The order flow has been pretty bullish. Inventory 100% long. I went over this many times, and I have a couple pinned posts, but I'm gonna say it again. So we close down here at 51.32ish, and then all the action starting on the Sunday open was above that level. So all the inventory is long. So we usually see a correction of inventory when we have that scenario, and we correct into that level, right? And if we get that, that's also that value area rule, right? Like we're opening up, then we come back into value, go to value area low. So that's a trade that I'm gonna be looking for today, setup that I'm gonna be looking for today. Okay, crude oil. Let's see, crude oil. So crude oil has been trying to, so It broke above this range, right? It balanced here, broke above it, came back below, right to that point of control that we were talking about. Then moved back above. Then it's been back and forth trying to get back into this higher value area, but it's having a little bit of a hard time. So it's kind of like in this at this moment it's a little bit unclear, to me at least. I mean, we're obviously moving higher, but it's unclear where the line in the sand is. It's a little messy, in my opinion. So what I would look for is, I would use this right here, this 4340 to 4350 low volume area, and above it, then I would look for a test of the 5-day point of control, 8380 and change, and then see if we can go retest value area high from Friday's session, RTH session at 8420 ish. And if we break above that, I would look for 8440, which is the 20-day moving average, and this untested point of control at 8452 or 55. And then above that we have this, then we'll be trading back inside this range, and then we can look for 8540 eventually. If we cannot move higher, then this is still the magnet 8230, and we might revisit this, and we might advertise lower prices to come find the buyers. Okay, what else? We have gold. What's happening with gold? Gold is, let me just get the chart here. Why can't I see the chart? Oh, there you go. So gold keeps holding this area, this low volume area that we were talking about, and it did get to that 64, but got sold off. So it's consolidating here, accepting prices here. So I'm still looking for a little bit of an attempt to take this highs and to test the 76 area, but it hasn't happened yet. So trading in this range, not much going on right now. Maybe like look for longs in the bottom area, and then shorts in this area. I mean, I really don't have I'm still holding a long from the other day, and I'm looking to see if we can come back above in the range, because overall on the longer time frame, I mean, we're still pretty bullish. We did break this trend, but on the longer time frame, if you look at a weekly chart, it's very bullish. So I'm still looking for a move back to the 20-day point of control. Let's see if we can get there. All right. As far as economic reports today, we have some Dallas Fed manufacturing index at 10:30, and then we have auctions at 11:30, the 6 months and the 3 months. And then we have big earnings this week. We have Coca-Cola, McDonald's, 3M, Amazon, AMD, Starbucks, Pfizer, bunch of stuff this week. We also have a FOMC rate statement on Wednesday. We have jobless claims. We have a pretty busy week. So keep an open mind as to where this market is gonna go or not go. All right, good luck.